Love reading digital comics and have a CBX file in your collection? This is a comic book archive format, similar to CBZ and CBR. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, read, and manage these comic book archive files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the CBX archive, even if it can't fully extract it. CBX files are comic book archive files containing sequential image pages organized for digital comic book reading. They package multiple image files, typically JPEG or PNG, in an archive format that comic book reader applications display as sequential pages with bookmark navigation and reading progress tracking capabilities. CBX comic book archives use a compressed archive format, either ZIP RAR or 7Z, containing numbered image files representing individual comic book pages. The sequential file name ordering determines page display order. Some archives include ComicInfo.xml metadata files, storing title, author series, and issue information. The tool most commonly used for creating CBX files is CDisplayX by CDisplayX team. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows supports limited archive interaction, so full access requires dedicated decompression tools. To bypass the default application error, right-click the CBX file and choose Open With. Prioritize CDisplayX if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a viable decoder. If your CBX file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Your system failed to open the CBX file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, reading in comic viewers. Open the CBX file in a comic book reader application, such as CDisplayX for Windows or YAC Reader for cross-platform reading. The viewer displays pages in sequential order with page turn controls, zoom reading direction settings, and bookmark features. Navigate between pages using arrow keys, mouse scroll, or touch swipe gestures. Next, converting archive format. If your comic reader does not recognize the CBX extension, rename the file to CBZ for zip-based or CBR for RAR-based archives. Most comic book archives are standard compressed files with renamed extensions. Try both extensions to find the correct archive type. Once renamed, any standard comic reader opens the file without issues. Finally, managing comic libraries. Organize your comic book collection using a library manager like Comic Rack or Calibre with the Comic Book plugin. Import CBX files and the manager catalogs them with metadata extraction, cover thumbnail generation, and series organization. These tools provide a comprehensive reading and library management experience for large digital comic collections. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.